Thank you to everyone for joining us for the 12th Annual PRO Consortium Workshop. As our workshop closes out, I'd like to give special thanks to our workshop session planners, presenters, and panelists who made this workshop so successful. I'd like to give a special thank you to Electra Papadopoulos and Michelle Campbell from FDA and Linda Nelson from GlaxoSmithKline. They were part of our workshop planning committee. They attended all of our workshop planning sessions, and they really played a large role in shaping the workshop sessions that you saw over these past 2 days. So thank you so much to all of you for your support of the workshop. And I want to thank all of our workshop session presenters and panelists that you see here listed on the slide. And a special thank you to FDA for your participation and support of all of our sessions. We were very grateful for all your insight and participation. Now I'd like to recognize the c-path.eu Consortium team. Our team worked really hard to put this workshop together, and the team did such a good job of working behind the scenes to make it all possible. So I'd like to call everyone out individually. So thank you to Stephen, Lindsay, Maria, Bex, T, Kristen, Barbara, April, Taryn, Janelle, and Maddie. And a very special thank you to T. Griffey for all of her work to organize the workshop, to handle the technology behind the scenes, and to make. Thank you so much, T. Thank you. And thank you to the whole team for wonderful teamwork for the workshop. Next, I'd like to thank the scientists and clinicians who represent in subcommittees, as well as thanks to the patient organization representatives and other non-member participants who provide valuable expertise and insight to our working groups and subcommittees. The PRO Consortium is very grateful for all of your support, and we cannot do our work without all of your participation. And finally, thank you, all of you, for joining us over these past 2 days. We really appreciate your participation, your questions, your enthusiasm. And as a reminder, please remember to complete the feedback form. It was included in a link in the workshop email, the welcome email that you received when you registered for the workshop. We look forward to your feedback. We are happy to hear any suggestions for future workshops, and we hope to see you again next year. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.